You have probably been using AI as an oracle. This is not deliberate and most likely not even done consciously, but functionally as the thing you go to with questions and receive answers from. The source that knows, the system that produces, the tool that resolves the not knowing that you arrive with into the knowing that you leave with. That relationship is real and it is useful, and it is the least interesting thing AI can be for a genuine thinker. There is a different relationship available, one that most people never discover because the oracle relationship is so immediately satisfying that the alternative never gets tried. One that requires something the oracle relationship doesn't, the willingness to arrive, not with a question that wants an answer, but with a thinking process that wants examination. The oracle gives you answers. The Socratic partner gives you better questions. The oracle resolves your not knowing. The Socratic partner deepens your not knowing until it becomes the productive kind, the kind that builds background rather than papering over its absence. The oracle is extraordinarily useful for information gaps, when what you need is a fact, a figure, a piece of knowledge that exists and just needs to be located. Efficient, accurate, appropriate. The Socratic partner is what you need for understanding gaps, when what you need is the restructuring of your thinking, the examination of your assumptions, the development of genuine knowing, rather than the receipt of correct information. Most people use the oracle for both. The oracle handles information gaps well, and understanding gaps poorly, fluently, confidently, with the appearance of resolution that doesn't survive the moment when genuine understanding is required. The Socratic partner handles understanding gaps exactly right, because it doesn't resolve them. It examines them. It follows them to their foundations. It asks the question underneath the question until the understanding either develops or reveals itself as more absent than it appeared. This reframe, from oracle to Socratic partner, is not a technique. It is a fundamental shift in what you believe AI is for. The oracle relationship is prompt and response. You ask, it answers. The interaction is transactional. The thinking, if any happens after the response arrives, in your evaluation of what was produced. The Socratic partnership is different in structure, in intent, and in what it produces. In structure, it is iterative rather than transactional. Not one prompt, one response done. A series of exchanges in which each response generates a new question rather than a conclusion. The thinking happens inside the conversation rather than after it. The AI is not producing the output, it is participating in the process that produces understanding. In intent, it is examination rather than resolution. You are not trying to get the answer. You are trying to develop the understanding that would let you evaluate any answer. The Socratic partner serves that intent by questioning rather than concluding, by surfacing assumptions rather than accepting them, by following implications rather than resting at the surface claim. In what it produces, it generates thinkers rather than outputs. The oracle interaction ends with an output. The Socratic partnership ends with a thinker who has developed something, examined an assumption, followed a question to its foundations, discovered a gap in their understanding that they didn't know was there, and arrived at genuine not knowing that is now productively available for the inquiry that builds into real understanding and knowing. Here is how to use AI as a Socratic partner in practice. The first move is to ask for the questions rather than answers. Before you ask AI to produce anything, ask it what questions you should be asking. This is not typical. What is the answer to this problem? This is a question. What questions would I need to answer to genuinely understand this problem? What am I not asking that I should be? What assumptions am I making that deserve examination? This move immediately shifts the interaction from oracle to Socratic partner. AI is no longer the answer source. It is the question generator. And the questions it generates, when the prompt is well formed, are often the questions that surface the structural assumptions, reveal the understanding gaps, point toward the actual concern beneath the proximate question. The second move is to ask for the steelman of the opposite position. Whatever position you're developing, whatever conclusion you're reaching, ask AI to make the strongest possible case against it. Not the weak objections, the strongest. The version of the opposing argument that would genuinely challenge your position if you took it seriously. This is the Socratic elenchus operationalized. You are deliberately producing the examination rather than waiting for it to arrive. You are stress testing your thinking before it hardens into the unexamined position that Socrates spent his career dissolving. The third move is to ask for an assumption audit. Present your framing of a problem, your understanding of the situation, your proposed solution, your intended direction, and ask the AI what assumptions that framing is making. What would have to be true for this to be right? What the framing is taking for granted? What the opposite framing would look like? The AI cannot fully examine your assumptions the way genuine Socratic dialogue can, because it has no background, no stakes, no structural history in your domain. But it can surface the logical structure of your assumptions. It can identify what the framing necessarily implies. It can generate the opposite question that reveals the assumption as a position rather than ground. That is not a complete Socratic examination. It is significantly better than no examination at all. The fourth move is to ask for what you're missing. The question is, what is this analysis not seeing? What domain of concern is this framing excluding? What perspective would look at this completely differently, and what would they notice that I'm not noticing? This is the move that combats the fluency illusion most directly. The fluency illusion works by making the output feel complete, comprehensive, well-organized, covering the relevant territory. The what am I missing question deliberately punctures that completeness. It asks the AI to find the edges of the framing, the excluded perspectives, the concerns that the current frame makes invisible. Used this way, the AI is not producing your thinking. It is stress testing it. This is not replacing your examination. It is extending it. This does not remove the not knowing. It allows deepening it productively. That is the Socratic use, and it is available in every interaction if you change what you're asking for. The shift from Oracle to Socratic Partner changes not just how you use AI, but what you become through using it. The Oracle relationship produces dependency. Each answer resolves a not knowing without building the background that would have developed through genuine inquiry. Over time, the Oracle user becomes less capable of the independent thinking that the Oracle is replacing, not because they chose dependency, but because the formation process that builds independent thinking keeps getting shortcut before it can do its work. The Socratic partnership produces capacity. Each examination develops something in the thinker. The assumption is found. The questions are examined. The understanding gap is made visible and then genuinely addressed. The background built through the productive not knowing that the Socratic exchange deepened rather than dissolved. Over time, the Socratic partner user becomes more capable because they are using the tool to extend their thinking rather than replace it. This is the difference between the tool that atrophies the capacity it serves and the tool that develops it. The calculator used by someone who already understands mathematics extends mathematical capacity. The calculator used instead of developing mathematical understanding atrophies it. The AI used as an oracle by someone who has already developed genuine thinking extends that thinking. The AI used as an oracle instead of developing genuine thinking atrophies it. The Socratic partnership is the relationship that ensures AI develops rather than atrophies the capacity it serves. Ask for questions. Ask for the Steelman. Ask for the assumption audit. Ask for what you're missing. 4 moves. The oracle becomes a partner. The answer machine becomes an examination engine. Socrates would recognize what you're doing. He spent his life finding people willing to be genuinely examined rather than merely answered. They were rare then. They are rare now. The willingness to be examined, to have your assumptions surfaced, your certainties tested, your not knowing deepened rather than resolved, is the specific willingness that genuine thinking requires. AI cannot give you that willingness, but it can serve it extraordinarily well once you have it. The oracle is what AI is by default. The Socratic partner is what AI becomes when you bring genuine thinking to the interaction. Bring the thinking, the tool will follow.